Okay, you don't have a Gmail account, you don't want to create a Gmail account, you have another email account like Yahoo or Hotmail or whatever, and you want to create a YouTube channel with that account. Is it possible? Yes, and it is very easy. Stay with me and I'll show it in this video. At first, go to your browser. Here I am on Google Chrome, and now in the search bar type YouTube to go to YouTube homepage. So click here and this page will appear here. This is the YouTube website. Click here. Now this is the homepage of YouTube. See the upper right corner, and there is the sign in option. Click the sign in button, and now this page will appear. They're saying you to sign in to YouTube. If you had a Gmail, you would put it here, but we are using a new one, so click here more options and then create account. You are not actually creating an account, you will give your existing email account, that is not Gmail, but the process is in this way, so you have to follow this. So now type your first name and last name in these two boxes, the username of your email. I am giving mine. Okay, then give your email address here. If you use a new one, you click here, but we are not doing that. So in this box, give your email address, that may be Yahoo or Hotmail or another one. Mine is Yahoo account. I'm giving this, and you give here your email, you will get an email. So now create a password. You don't necessarily need to create a password, you just give your password of your that Yahoo account, your that mail account, and then confirm your password by retyping it in the next box. After that, give your birthday, the month, day and year of your birth, and then gender. There is an option rather not, so you can choose that, but it is better to give the gender. Now mobile phone, you can skip that, but give your location correctly. You can check out the whole form again just to make sure that everything's okay, and then click next step to go to next step. Now here are the privacy and terms of Google. You should read it properly, the whole terms and other things. Then you have to click this button, I agree, to proceed. Okay, so it says you're almost done. Just verify your email address by signing in at yahoo.com. That is the thing, you have to verify your email as it is not Gmail. So now you verify, click there and this box will appear, and now give your email here on the blue line, then click next and give your password. These are very easy steps, you can just do it, very easy. So sign in, and okay, you should read this. Now you have to agree with the conditions and etc. Then you can use your Yahoo account to use the Google products instead of a Gmail. So click here agree and wait. Okay, you are done. Now you can use your Yahoo account to use Google products. You can subscribe and like and dislike any YouTube YouTube channel, but you don't have a channel. So to create a channel and upload your videos, you have to continue to YouTube. So click here continue to YouTube. So you are again on YouTube homepage. See the homepage of YouTube. but you are now signed in. See? So click here on your icon and click here my channel to create your channel. So now this box will appear. Now don't click create channel. If you do that, then your channel will be named as this, the username of your email. We don't want that, we want another name. If you want that too, then click use a business or other name here. Click here and this page will appear. See here, brand account name and this box. Type your channel name here. We are giving test channel name and create. Click here. So your new channel is ready. So now add your channel icon and channel art and upload your own videos and content to your own YouTube channel. And I hope you have already understood that when you want to use your another email account, not a Gmail, to create a YouTube channel, then you just have to verify your that email account, and that's all. That's very easy, and then you can use it to create your channel or use other Google products. I hope this video is helpful for you. So as always, help yourself, help others. Take care. And if you like this video and find it helpful, then